BB and me back. You guys want to go to the winery now, St. Chrissy? Okay,
You want to on video? Yeah, you're on video. Yeah. Only that much? Okay, as long as you don't do any more.
No.
Okay. Now you're getting in trouble.
Okay, let's go, Jordan.
Okay.
Okay, let's go visit Auntie Chrissy.
Cheers. All done? Okay, let's go find the beer. See you in a second. How's that?
Where is he?
Okay, Jasper, let's...
Okay, go to the front of the truck. Go in the front of the bumper. Come on.
No.
You don't want it?
Thank you.
Oh, sorry, little girl.
Thank you.
Look at that. There's...
What are you doing for the rest of the time today?
Okay.
Gonna hang out? Play some games.
Okay, say bye-bye. Nigel, look at that.